UW System Math Initiative strategies include active learning and co-requisite math courses, whether the course is face-to-face or online. Historically, students who placed low in math would start in a developmental course. Then, in a subsequent semester, they would start working on a math requirement that would count toward their degree. The co-requisite model combines their coursework simultaneously so that students can complete a math requirement faster. Two students who completed their college algebra requirement through UW-Milwaukee's co-requisite Math 98-108 talk about their experiences, and their instructor explains how she incorporated active learning.
I just didn't take math for a full year, and then when I went to Milwaukee, they had me take a placement test, and I didn't do as well on that placement test. So then I had to take this Math 98-108.
When I first placed into my math testing scores, I was actually pretty low, and I was actually pretty scared that I failed and I can't take really good math classes and go beyond. So when I first heard about the co-requisite classes, I thought it would be pretty easy because I can get it out of the way, get some credits out of the way, and I thought it would be on my pace to a next class.
So there are a few benefits to doing that. First, you can decrease your time to graduation by getting your math requirement hopefully fulfilled sooner than later. At UW-Milwaukee, we've had a decent success rate, so you're more likely to pass your credit-bearing math class if you enroll in the co-requisite sequence on average. Then obviously it's nice to get, while I love math, it's nice to get math out of the way so that you can get into your major coursework sooner. When it comes to the structure of a co-requisite class, that can look different on different campuses. At UW-Milwaukee, students are enrolling in a 3-credit developmental class as well as a 3-credit credit-bearing class. And so that means each course meets Monday, Wednesday, and Tuesday, Thursday. So effectively, we're meeting Monday through Thursday for 75 minutes.
Each morning on Tuesday, Thursdays, we would have buddy meetups for whiteboard, and we'd do our math problems on the whiteboard. And so it would be from the previous homework we did, and then we'd learn about each other's problems, how we solved it. And so if we didn't get the problem correct, we would all, as a class, go over it.
One thing to note is that content is placed a little differently, which I think really impacts the student experience. So we place practice skills right before we implement them in the credit-bearing course. So it's a really meaningful and purposeful math experience rather than a truncated topic that you might learn in one semester and you won't see its application until a subsequent one. So we would engage in anything from graphing explorations to partner activities to small modeling projects to kind of wrap both the practice skills and the credit-bearing skills all together in one group. And then as a lot of campuses are transitioning to needing some virtual instruction as well, and so we've tried to take every single active learning strategy that we used to do face-to-face, and we're trying to continue those in the online platform as well.
A's in both the classes. And then because of that, they needed an SI leader, which is a supplemental instructor. I had to attend classes so I could hear what the professors had to say, and then I could give them the same version of what they said or a different view on how to do that problem. Also, as a supplemental instructor, one of my goals was to have the students enjoy what we were doing.
The math requirements are college algebra, and I took those in my freshman year. Those are 2 classes, and they were combination classes. And so the next one was calculus, and which I took in my later to the end of the freshman year. And then right now I'm taking statistics, and I hope that's going to be well. And then the cool thing is that my sister is actually going to be a freshman this year, and she's taking 98 and 108. And I felt like I can help her actually, because now that I learned from that class, I can actually give her my skills to improve better in that class.
I've completed all my math requirements now, which were 98, 108, so the algebra class, calc, and stats. I've completed all those, and that's all I need for the major that I'm in. And I'm on pace to graduate to 4 to 4.5 years, so pretty excited about that.
UW System is initiating system-wide change, supporting innovative instruction, and investing in student success. It's all in Wisconsin, the University of Wisconsin system.